Hey guys, thank you for joining in on another ChevSpeaks episode. In today's episode, we're going to be taking this car from this to my ultimate daily driver. So we just take you along for a ride and we'll talk some stuff later. So obviously, if you know me, you know that I love my 2003 S55 AMG. I've had it for the past 1 year and 9 months, and I really haven't had any complaints about it. But the time comes in every single car enthusiast's lifetime that they want to do something to the car. And I've actually been wanting to do these modifications since almost the first month of owning it, and they're pretty simple. They're not super extensive, but I believe they make this car just a tiny little bit better. And what I'm talking about are just some slight body and auditory enhancements, as I like to call them, because I don't want to do anything to the engine, because never in this car have I thought, wow, this car is terribly slow. This is my daily driver. I don't want to overstress the engine, even though these engines are incredibly reliable, as is the transmission, so I really want to have much problem with it. But still, I just don't want to really do that stuff yet. So I just want to do some slight body mods. And so I will be dropping this car off today, so in around 6 hours, to get some work done to it by a few local shops around here. I unfortunately will not be able to be there for the build because I'm occupied with class and other stuff, so I will not be able to film as much of the build as possible. I believe on some days I will be doing some of the work because we are sending the wheels to be powder coated, and that time while the wheels are off, I'll have easy access to the suspension, so I'll be able to change the suspension height. Which brings me to my next point. In this little manila folder, I have these lowering links. They're adjustable lowering links right here. Got them from eBay. Again, I'm gonna drop this car just a little bit, just enough, right? Because I feel like it rides a little bit like a monster truck right now. And in addition to dropping it, I'm also gonna put a front splitter on. That's just like the W220 front splitter. It looks really good. It doesn't look tacky in my opinion. I'll probably link a picture to it right now because I haven't taken a picture of it yet for I don't know why, and it's not with me right now. It's actually painted. It's actually being painted, or it is painted, and that'll be put on. Also, we're doing some exhaust work because this car sounds great, just a little bit muted, so I want to, you know, make it a little bit louder. In addition, we might do some taillight tint, who knows? I don't know. As I'm saying, this is my ideal daily driver build. It's not anything crazy. I've seen some crazy builds online that are really cool, but I just don't have the resources or really the drive to do that to this car because I just like it the way it is and I don't really want to change it drastically. I just want to enhance it. That's my philosophy on it. Anyways, enough with my talking. I'm actually going to fast forward now around 6-7 hours to when we're actually dropping off the car, and I'm with my friend Hunter, who will be picking me up. So I'll see you guys then. You guys join me now around, actually it's around like 8 hours later. But we're about to go to the shop and I'm about to drop this car off. I won't see it for, I don't know, like a day or so. So I will see you guys at the shop, I guess. Here's here dropping the car off. Bye-bye. I'll see you like tomorrow. Meanwhile, my Uber has arrived. One thick Z. Ooh. Ooh. I have an exhaust leak. I couldn't tell.
I know you saw that.
That was 45 miles per hour. We both did the check. That was only 45 miles per hour. Don't worry about it. Just like that, I have no car. Just kidding. But anyways, so that's getting dropped off. Gonna be really exciting stuff going on. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. And I'll see you guys very, very soon. Stay tuned because this is gonna be pretty interesting. All right, see you guys. Bye.